In this video we're going to be looking at using HTML in a multi-choice field and using some conditional rules to make the approval process a bit more visually appealing. So what I mean by the approval process is on this table I have a simple yes/no field of whether the vet is approved or not, and we've added some display rules to make it red or green. But what I'd also like to do is be able to show a graphic here with approved with a thumbs up or not approved with a thumbs down. So going over into the builder, I'm on the vets object and I have a field at the bottom called approved yes/no, which is a standard multi-choice field with just two options of yes and no. On the pages section on my vets page, this is the table and I have that field on here, and I'm just using some display rules to make it either red or green based on whether it's yes or whether it's no. Going back to the fields view in the schema, I've got another field here, a multi-choice field, which has two options in it using some HTML, with approved and a thumbs up and not approved with a thumbs down. Now this bit of HTML, I'm not a coder, but I'll show you how to create this very simply. It's been copied and pasted into the two options. And then there's a conditional rule on this which says if approved, the previous field approved yes/no is set to yes, then select the custom style and you just choose the approved, and if the approved yes/no field is no, set it to not approved. Now to create the little bit of HTML, I use the free online creator. Simply put your text on here. So I should put, I'm going to just get rid of all that and say not approved, so it's normal text. And you can use the Windows key and the semicolon, and that will bring up the emoji palette on a Windows PC. So then I can just type thumb and get my thumbs up, and then I'm just going to highlight that text, change the format of it to something larger, and then just change it to red, and that then on the right hand side gives me the HTML code. That's what I will then paste into the options on the settings here. So this will be option 1 and then option 2. If I now look at the records, I can see over on the right hand side that I now have this approved text field, which is a conditional field looking at whatever the value is in this one. So if I change it to no, it will update to not approved. If I change it to yes, it will update to approved. So all I need to do now is put this field onto my view. This is my vets table. I'm going to click on the orange arrow to navigate to this page, which takes me over to the vets details page. I've already put the control on here, but I could just remove this to show you. And then on my fields, it's the last one here called approved text. So I'm just going to put that in and then just format it to set a custom format and hide the label, and then save. So back to the live app, do a quick browser refresh, and then when I click on view, I get the approved thumbnail there, and if I take the next one down, which is not approved, I get the not approved one on this view. So I hope you found using this HTML process of use, and look forward to catching up with you on the next one.